AI voice note taker. What if recording your thoughts was as easy as talking? Claude NotePin is a tiny AI recorder that captures your voice and instantly turns it into text. Clip it into your shirt, tap once, and it remembers every word from meetings, classes, or creative ideas on the go. It even summarizes everything for you with amazing accuracy. Smart, stylish, and effortless, Claude NotePin keeps your brain completely hands-free. GameSir X3 Pro Gamepad. Ever felt your phone could do more than tap and scroll? The GameSir X3 Pro makes that happen, turning your device into a precision-built power rig for serious play. Its turbo cooling fan keeps your phone icy under pressure, even in the longest matches. Hall effect sticks and micro switch triggers respond instantly to every move. No heat, no lag, no mercy. GameSir X3 Pro, where mobile gaming meets domination. NewQ Magnetic Watch Charger. Your Apple Watch never quits, now neither will you. The NewQ outdoor power bank is built for explorers, commuters, and anyone always on the move. Snap it on magnetically and your watch starts charging instantly. No cables, no setup. Its 1800 mAh battery delivers up to 4 full charges anywhere. Trails, flights, or city streets. Compact, tough, and ready for anything. NewQ keeps your wrist powered through every adventure. NiXi Flexi Pro Controller. Think your controller's fast enough? Think again. The NiXi Flexi is built for players who demand instant precision. With a 1000 Hz polling rate, every press hits before you feel it. Hall effect joysticks eliminate drift, and the swappable D-pad adapts to any playstyle. Turbo, vibration, and 4 remappable buttons give total responsive control. On PC, Switch, or mobile, the Flexi makes every move count perfectly every time. Atuman R2 Screwdriver. Tired of bulky toolkits that never fit the job? The Duca Atuman RS2 changes everything. Built for tight spaces, tricky angles, and serious control, its 180-degree rotating head slips into places normal screwdrivers can't reach, while the 45-tooth ratchet delivers smooth, precise torque. With 28 magnetic S2 steel bits, it handles gadgets, furniture, and repairs with ease. Compact, durable, and brilliantly engineered, the RS2 makes every fix effortless. Anker Power Bank 10,000 mAh 30 watt. Your phone's at 1%, panic mode on, but this tiny gadget changes everything. The Anker Nano 10K isn't just another power bank, it's a lightning-fast speed boost in your pocket. Plug in with its built-in USB-C cable and watch your iPhone jump from red to ready in minutes. No cords, no waiting, just pure portable power. Small, sleek, and truly unstoppable, the Nano 10K keeps you one step ahead. X7 Compact Pro Keyboard. What if your keyboard could think like you? The FiFiFun X7 isn't just for typing. It's a smart, shape-shifting control hub for gamers and creators. Its curved layout hugs your hands, while the smart dial and glowing RGB bring every press to life. Switch modes in a blink. Connect anywhere and feel the future under your fingertips. FiFiFun X7. Performance, comfort, and pure creative innovation combined. Pocket Tripod Wallet. It's not just a wallet, it's your phone's new superpower. The Subcase Magnetic Tripod Wallet combines style, strength, and pure versatility in one sleek, MagSafe design. It snaps on instantly, transforming into a sturdy tripod or slim card holder in seconds. Store up to 5 cards safely with built-in security. Compact, durable, and made for motion, it keeps your iPhone ready for every call, capture, and adventure ahead. AI Tennis Partner. Meet SI1, the world's first AI-powered tennis partner that moves and reacts like a real opponent. It reads your shots, races across the court in a blink, and sends the ball back with perfect timing. Every rally feels alive, fast, challenging, and fun. Compact and portable, it turns any court into a smart training area. Train smarter, play harder, and experience the future of tennis today. InMotion V14 Adventure Beast. They built it for riders who go where roads end. The InMotion V14 Adventure is more than a unicycle, it's an all-terrain powerhouse. Its 9,000-watt motor and 134-volt system push you up 50-degree hills and across gravel, trails, or city streets with ease. A 2,400 WH battery keeps you rolling for hours, while advanced suspension tames every bump. Strong, stable, and unstoppable. The V14 rides beyond limits. Divoom Pixel LED Sling. Tired of backpacks that just hold stuff? The Divoom Sling Bag does more. It talks in pixels. With a built-in LED display, you can show animations, logos, or messages straight from your phone. Perfect for travel, cycling, or city life, it's waterproof, stylish, and powered by any power bank. Carry your essentials, express your vibe, and light up every street with Divoom's pixel-perfect design. Devil's Hand Heat Mug. Cold coffee shouldn't ruin your focus again. The Devil's Hand heating mug set keeps your drink perfectly warm while you work, study, or relax. Choose your ideal temperature: soft blue for mild heat, purple for cozy warmth, or red for piping hot perfection. Its wide glass plate fits any mug and shuts off automatically after 8 hours. Stylish, safe, and effortlessly smart. Devil's Hand keeps comfort brewing non-stop. Sick of stuffing earbuds in pockets? Clip on the Joy Room wearable speaker and let sound follow you. With IP67 waterproof toughness, magnetic back and carabiner clip, it attaches anywhere. Bags, belts, metal racks, hands-free and loud. Bluetooth 5.4 ENC mic cuts wind noise, while 3 EQ modes punch up bass, clarity, or balance. Built-in LED light with SOS flash adds safety, all in a featherlight package for work, walks, or weekend vibes. What if every flight looked cinematic? The GT3 mini drone shoots in breathtaking 8K with dual HD cameras, while GPS and 5G deliver stable, responsive control. One-button takeoff gets you airborne instantly. Headless mode makes piloting simple, and smart tracking logs onto your movement. Add smooth 360-degree flips for flair, and this compact UAV transforms everyday flights into stunning aerial journeys with ease and style. What if your notebook could think with you? The remarkable Paper Pro Move redefines digital writing with a 7.3-inch color e-ink display that feels just like paper. Every stroke with the Marker Plus pen reacts instantly, smooth, silent, and real. Convert handwriting to text, organize ideas, and sync across devices. Lightweight, magnetic, and designed for clarity, it's productivity that fits in your pocket and flows at your speed. What if you could command a tank from your backyard? The Xingrui 1-12 military crawler makes it possible. With four-wheel drive traction and adjustable speed, it storms across mud, rocks, and sand without slowing down. Dual batteries keep the missions alive longer, while openable doors add authentic detail. Tough enough to climb, flip, and endure, it delivers battlefield excitement for kids and adults alike. Smaller than a matchbox, yet powerful enough to shoot like a cinema rig, the DJI Osmo Nano packs a 1 to 1.3-inch sensor, a 143-degree ultra-wide lens that captures crisp 4K 60 footage with stunning 10-bit color. Rocksteady 3.0 and Horizon balancing keep every frame smooth. Magnetically clip, record up to 200 minutes, and move freely. This isn't a gadget, it's filmmaking redefined in your pocket. What if your PC case could come alive and talk back? The WiseCoco touchscreen transforms the Height Y70 into a futuristic 2K dashboard, displaying system temps, GPU stats, and animated visuals in real time with incredible clarity. Its ultra-wide IPS panel reacts instantly to every touch, blending precision with elegance. With seamless USB-C connectivity, smart monitoring, and sleek design, your setup becomes a living piece of tech art. This ultrasonic cutter isn't just another knife. It vibrates at 40,000 cycles a second to slice through foam board, PVC, leather, wood, and more with razor-sharp precision. Cordless and built with a rechargeable battery and LED light, it lets you work anywhere without cords getting in the way. Perfect for 3D prints, soap making, crafting, or cosplay, this cutter turns tough cuts into effortless art. Ever dreamed of building your own arcade game? The Rowood 3D wooden pinball transforms that dream into reality with over 480 precision cut pieces. Assemble the gears, launch the steel ball, and watch it race through ramps, tunnels, and glowing lights, all powered by pure mechanics. No batteries, no screens, just motion, sound, and skill. It's not just a puzzle, it's a masterpiece you bring to life.